Carolina Della Torre was working at a marketing agency when the COVID-19 outbreak began. Like many others, she lost her job.
I know that there's many people that are going through the same thing I'm going through. There's like a lot of anger and frustration.
Carolina was born in the United States, but being Latina means she's in a group more vulnerable to unemployment. Hispanic people in the US are almost 20% more likely to be suffering a pay cut or loss of a job due to the pandemic, according to think tank the Pew Research Institute.
I have a family member who's been working in the same place for 15 years, and unfortunately he lost his job, so it's a lot.
The research also finds that the Latino workforce in the US tends to be younger and fewer have higher education, which has also made them more vulnerable.
Not only do we need to make sure that our Latino and immigrant communities have some type of economic resources to be able to survive this pandemic, but looking ahead, we need to make sure that everyone also has health insurance.
Gilbert Espino runs a newspaper for the Latino community in LA. He says the current situation raises extra concern for undocumented immigrants.
They're just afraid that they're going to get caught and they're going to get deported. But a lot of them are working here. A lot of them are productive. A lot of them pay, they buy food, gas, they pay taxes.
California Governor Gavin Newsom has announced a stimulus plan to specifically help undocumented immigrants.
I'm proud as governor to be the first state to announce a program for direct disaster assistance to those individuals.
While the latest announcement in California will provide some relief to the Latino community, there are millions in other states who are not eligible for help. And as the unemployment rate skyrockets, this minority will be plunged into further hardship, driving an even wider gap between the rich and the poor here in America. Duncan McKenzie-McHarg, TRT World, Los Angeles.